everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Polka Wallet application for your Android phone. So if you want to do that, follow the video till the end. Start off by open your Play Store on your Android device and then go to the search box and type in Polka Wallet and search. Once you find this application that says Polka Wallet from Polka Wallet Limited, tap on the install button to begin the download. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed. Once it's done, tap on the open button to open the wallet. So that is how you can easily download Polka Wallet application for your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.